Hello, welcome to RapidResponse Planner AI demo. Resource allocation decisions could always happen under time pressure and uncertainty. The hardest part is not just choosing, it's about understanding the trade-offs. RapidResponse Planner is an AI-powered tool that helps us visualize and understand those decisions. Why a certain allocation makes sense. I have a few use cases which I will walk you through in a second. Let's start with the logistics mode. Logistics means the origins are fixed and the destinations are variable. Like warehouse, we already know where it is, but when and how many of the shipment requests can a store make, maybe at any time, is not expected. So this is the logistics mode. Calculation is based on a fixed origins and variable destinations. For the shipment, we have a few types. Standard cold chain has those, and also the corresponding vehicle type. For the first test, I'll start with the regular one. And also, I click Analyze. You can see with the mock map of the zone 3x3, we can assume the result will be, and also yes, the vehicle A actually go to shipment A, vehicle B go to shipment B, which makes sense. And then with a little bit twist, let's say we have vehicle B as cold chain, vehicle A as refrigerated truck. We can imagine that the result would twist. Instead, the vehicle A would go to shipment B, and the vehicle B would go to shipment A. Okay, good. Now it's expected. And then here would be a delay button. Delay button shows you how important the time constraint is. Certain cases, like in cold chain or has those, people cannot wait any longer. I have a system constraint of 15 minutes, and if more than that, then everything would need to be reprioritized. We have a comparison. Let's start with this case. So we have standard shipment A and then cold chain shipment B, and both of the trucks are refrigerated. Without any delay, we can see what is the result. I would say yes, again, it's vehicle A to A, vehicle B to shipment B. Okay, the result shows like this. And then I have 10 minutes delay. How does this make a difference? This makes the vehicle B to shipment B doesn't work anymore. So the road distance takes 10 minutes. Adding this delay of 10 minutes, it exceeds how a cold chain shipment can endure. In this case, the system would automatically switch and also explain to you why this doesn't make sense. The previous one doesn't make sense anymore. So the only feasible assignment is to put vehicle B to shipment A. Vehicle B to shipment A and then vehicle A to shipment B. Even though the time previously it was 5 minutes travel, adding 10 minutes, 5 at 10, but now it's 5 at 20. If we don't consider the delay, only consider the road time. Okay, so this shows how delay is critical, especially with this UI powered tool. Human being can make a decision quicker, which would actually change the reality. Okay, and then we have another feature of what if analysis. This one without recalculation of the different this preset parameters. We can ask any open questions. So what if the block, like what if block 5, zone 5, 6 are blocked? How this would change the result? You can also ask questions like, what if there are 5 shipments? What if there are 5 vehicles? What if the zone map is already seen the result? It stays unchanged. Okay, it's actually show you the answer already. Okay. This is what if analysis. It shows you any open questions, answers. And then next mode, this one is emergency mode. The only twist is, let's say there is a fire incident or medical incident, then the origins are variable, but the destinations and the purpose is to send them into a hospital, or police station, that will be the fixed. So the calculation is based on a slightly twisted mode, but it can also apply to this very urgent situations. Say we have an incident, fire, and also medical, and then we have a ambulance and a fire truck. So put it delete to zero, just make it simple. And you can see I would assume it would be B to A and then A to B. Okay, just like this, the result shows you the correct ones. And here summarize it. The system considers response time, severity, and also the efficiency. It shows the reasoning framework. So the structured thinking can now be better and prepared under pressure. The goal is to make trade-offs more transparent. This can be very helpful when preparing complex allocation proposals, and then a real human being can make a final review and approval. Okay, overall speaking, this plan explores how AI can assist human reasoning in resource allocation. So thanks to the Gemini 3. Thanks. That's it. Thanks for listening.